Hello everyone, we are starting our lab that is creating a virtual machine today. This is the third lab in module 1, that is cloud computing fundamentals. It is a very simple lab. We just have 4 tasks, but there are intricate steps here, so keep up with me. I'm Ruj and I'll guide you through the process. So let's get started. Start lab. The first step is to click the start lab button. Verify that you're not a robot. So here what do we have to do? Cars. No cars. Yeah, यहाँ पे भी है. So verify. Oh, चलो. Open your Google Cloud Console in a new tab. Next. Okay, what do you have to do now is you need to enter the temporary password and you need to enter your temporary password and username we have already added, so just password now. I understand. Okay. Correct. We are in a Google Cloud Console. Now first what do we need to do here is you'll be agreeing and continuing. Since we are creating a virtual machine, our first task here is to create a new instance. How do we create a new instance? There are 2 ways of doing it, right? One is through command line interface, another is through going to the compute engine panel from the navigation menu itself. Okay, so what we can do is in this lab we will be doing it through the navigation menu. So these are the details that you need to follow. This is the name, this is the region, zone, etc. So let us just go through them so that we don't have to switch back and forth. First we need to give the name GCE Lab 1, US East 1, US East 1D, E2 machine, 2 VPC, vCPU, 10 GB balance persistent disk, and allow HTTP traffic. Okay, let's go. Okay, here we go to compute engine. In this we go to VM instances. Okay, I'm going to create instance. Create instance will give us the place. Yes, here the name is supposed to be GCE Lab. Okay, then East 1, East 1D. Was it East 1D? Yes, it was. East 1, East 1D, E2. Okay, East 1D, E2 machine type. All of this is standard. We need 10 GB, new balance persistent disk, perfect. Allows default access, allow HTTP traffic. Make sure you select just this, nothing else, and then finally create. Okay, this will take a moment. VM machines take a moment to be created, so don't worry. If it takes a little longer, that means your internet is a bit slow. That's it. You can also create a VM instance through the Cloud Shell like we did in our previous lab. I hope you guys remember that. Loading. There are few documentations available for you here, how to backup in DR, and then monitor VMs, explore VMs, load balancing, and etc. So you can read through this. Okay, status is running. Perfect. We are up and running, guys. Now what is our next task? Let's see. Okay, we have created. Next task is install the NGNX web server. What is NGNX web server? Basically it is a web server that we are connecting to our VM. Okay, so before we connect it to our VM, what do we need to do is actually here you can see the SSH. Okay, we need to connect our virtual machine through an SSH, and here we will be downloading the web server. We are putting our virtual machine over the network and downloading the web server. Okay, so authorize. This will take a minute, and then we need to. Okay. Right, this is our SSH. Okay, here we will be putting our commands. That is for the downloading of NGNX and all. Okay, so first update, copy paste. Okay, this will take a minute. Till then I'll copy paste this. Install NGINX. This is downloading. Then confirm that it is running. I have to do that. Okay. Confirm that it is running. Enter. Now, perfect, guys. It is up and running. Now, how do we check if it is up and running? We go to the external IP of the virtual machine. Okay, the external IP is this. Click on it. Dun-dun-dun. We are here. Okay, we are here. Check my progress. Perfect. Assessment completed. Now go create new instance with G-Cloud. Create new instance with G-Cloud. That means we are going to create a new instance using the command line. Okay, but see, as you can see here, there is the variable zone used, which we did not set up. Yet. Okay, so we'll set that up first. It was in the setup. We'll set that up first. All right, zone 6. We'll set those up. Command line interface. This will take a minute. Perfect, we are here. Paste your set the, okay, this is the first line of code, so you'll have to command, so you'll have to authorize. You're setting the region to US East. We are setting the zone to D, East 1D. Not this, sorry. Hold on. Okay, we have set it. Now we are going to create the instance. Just close 2 seconds. Here. Done. I have created, and it will take a minute. See, just with one line of code, you are able to create a virtual machine. I think this is a much easier way than going here and creating instance and all of that. Honestly, I feel working with the command line interface is so much more easier than exploring the Google Cloud Console. Here, okay, we have created our machine. It is up and running with all the details here. You can even see it over here. Okay, why can't I see it over here? Refresh. Okay, perfect. We have our lab 1 and our lab 2. Yes, let's check our progress. Done. Okay, perfect. We have set up everything. Now let's test our knowledge. Through which of the following ways can you create a VM instance? How simple is this? Okay, both of them, the command line interface as well as the Google Cloud Console, just like we did. In the first we created through Google Cloud Console, next we created through the command line interface. Just submit. Congratulations, your lab is done. Out of 40 minutes, we completed it in just 9. Congratulations, guys. If you guys have any doubts, you can post it in the comments below. We will be clearing them out as soon as we can. Thank you for coming here.